Hello students, now today we are going to discuss question number 1 of exercise 3.3. You see the question here, use a bar graph to answer the following question. So this bar graph is given in the textbook, you can see here, I have drawn on the board. So it is on y axis it is students, on x axis it is pet animals. Now what is the question asked here, which is the most popular pet and how many students have dog as a pet. Now let us understand the graph. Pet owned by the students of the class 7. This is the information of the pet owned by the students of class 7. Now you can see here I have taken as a here 1 centimeter as 2 like this. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is students. Now here first one bar is of dogs. So dogs how many are there? 8. Cats how many are there? Cats are there how much? It is 10. Rabbits how many are there? It is 2. Hamsters how many are there? It is, you can see 5. And others how many are there? You can see it is 3. Now first we have to understand the graph properly. If you observe the graph and try to understand the observation, what is which bar is how much height? That is the main thing we have to analyze here. And on the base of this questions will be there. Which is the most popular pet? Which is the most popular? Popular means highest numbers are there. So you can see dog is 8, cat is how much? 10. So the answer is cats. What is the answer here? Cats. Right? Because maximum number is having of cat 10. Now you can see how many students have dog as a pet. How many students have a dog as a pet? So dogs, how many are there? It is 8. So how many students are there? 8 students are having dog as a pet. Right here. Let me explain this question once again to you. Use this bar graph. So this bar graph will be given in the question. This bar graph will be given in the question. So you don't have to draw. You have to just observe the bar graph. But when you write in that notebook, you have to draw the bar graph. But while giving the answer in the exam, only you have to write the answer cats and 8. Now, which is the most popular pet? What is the question? Which is the most popular pet? So you can see dogs how much? 8, cats how much? 10, rabbits how much? 2, then hamster how much? It is 5, others how many is there? It is 3. So most popular is cats. So the answer is cats. How many students have dog as a pet? Now, how many students dog as a pet? You can see the answer is 8. So 8 is the answer here. Now, you can understand easily. Here, animals' names are coming on which axis? X axis. It is independent. And students, how many students are coming here? It is coming on Y axis. So it is independent. Right here, you can understand easily. It is independent and it is dependent. Right here. Now question number 2. Read the bar graph which shows the number of the books sold by a bookstore during 5 consecutive years. During 5 consecutive years, and answer the following question. So during 5 consecutive means continuous years. So you can see here. In 1989, in your book, this number is not mentioned. This number is not mentioned. This number is not mentioned. 1 centimeter shows 100 books. How many books? 1 centimeter. The scale is 1 centimeter. You can see here, year on year, the number of books is depending. So here it comes which axis? Here it comes years. So it is independent and this is dependent. Right here. So it comes like this. So in 1989, how many books are sold? It is 180. In 1990, 480. In 1991, it is 300. And here in 1992, it is 225. In 1993, it is 600. In a book, it is not written. So you have to keep like this, a scale like this, and you have to check. Like this, you have to keep a scale and check. Right here. And like this, I have measured here and I have drawn this. Like this, you have to check, then only you will come to know how many are there. Right here, this thing you have to do it before, then only you will understand, able to give the right answer of this question. Now, about how many books were sold in the 1989. So 1989, how many books are sold? You can see here it is 180. In 1990, how many books were sold? So you can see here it is 480. How many books were sold? 480 books. Now next one, in 1992, how many are there? It is 225. So you can see 225 is the answer. Right here. In which, now next second part, which year were 475 books sold? Now 475 books sold. So you can see here 475. So near about 475 is 480 and that is 1990. The answer is 1990. Now about 225 books, which year it is? 1992. So 1992 is the answer. So you can see 1992 is the answer. Now in which year fewer than 250 books, means less than 250. Less than 250 books sold. So you can see here less than 250 is this year. 225 means 1992 and 180. So 1989 and 1992. This is the answer. Two answers are there. 2 years are there. 1989 and 1992. Now next one. Can you explain how would you estimate the number of books sold in the 1989? So 1989, how many books were sold? You are doing marking here like this. Actually 1 centimeter, so 10 small partitions will be there, and then we have to see here. So it will come on 8 here on 8 partition. So you will get by counting the divisions 10. So and the answer is how much here? What is the ask here? Which year they asked here? They asked for 1989. The answer is 180. So I wrote the answer here 180. Now let me explain this question once again to you. Read the bar graph which shows the number of books sold by a bookstore during the 5 consecutive years and answer the following questions. Now this graph is given to you, right? You don't have to draw the graph, only you have to observe properly. So you can see a scale. 1 centimeter is taken as 100 books. So 1 centimeter, this is counted to be 1 centimeter. So I have taken as a 100 books here. So like this I have drawn. Years I have taken on which axis? X, and this is Y axis. So let me write down. It is X axis and this is Y axis. Right? You can see it is number of books and this is here years. Now in 1989 how many books were sold? It is 180. 1999 480. 1991 it is 300 and 1992 225. 1993 it is 600. Now about how many books were sold in 1989? So you can see the answer is 180. So I wrote the answer here. It is 180. Now in 1990 how many books were sold? You can see I wrote the answer here 480. So 480 is the answer. In 1992 how many books were sold? So 1992 you can see here it is 225. How many? 225 is the answer. Now in which year were 475 books sold? So near about 475 is at 480. So this is the answer. The year is 1990. You can see. And about 225 books sold. So it is which year? It is 1992. So 1992 is the answer. Now in which year were fewer than 250 books? Means less than 250. Then fewer means less than 250. So it is which year? So it is, you can see less than 250 is 225, 1992 and one is 180. So 1989 and 1992. Now fourth part, can you explain how would you estimate the number of books sold in 1989? So you can see here by counting the divisions we can explain. And which year how many books sold? 1989 it is 180 books sold. Right here. Now question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.3 I discussed with you and I explained everything to you about the question, and it is in this we are observing this question first and second we are observing and giving the answer. The 1 marks questions are there. So this actually comes, question looks big but actually the answer you can see only we have to observe the graph and give the answer. Try to read the graph and try to understand the graph properly so you can give the answer properly. Right here I think your doubts will be over on question 1 and 2. So I complete my session over here of this question 1 and 2. Thank you everyone.